Hey everyone, I've had a couple requests for updates on my plant rescue, as well as a couple of succulent beheadings, so I thought I would take a quick minute to tell you how everything is doing and how they're progressing, starting with my Ctenanthe.
Starting off with just a quick recap, this is a look at the Ctenanthe before. It was all crispy and dry. A lot of the leaves were brown and starting to curl. So cleaned up all the dead foliage. We put it in a new black pot, just another plastic container. And found it a nice bright window where it could hopefully grow and flourish. So that was after we fixed her up. A month after that, there were two or three shoots at that time, I think, new little shoots that poked up out of the dirt. So here we are. It's been about 3 months since I rescued this Ctenanthe. I did notice that some are a little light on the variegation. This leaf could use a little more variegation. But then you come over here and this new leaf looks beautiful, has lovely variegation, so it's just kind of a little bit all over. New leaves are unveiling themselves all the time. I'm not quite sure what's going on with this one. Looks like, I don't know, something took a bite out of it. But other than that, all is well with the Ctenanthe Lubbersiana. Next, we have my succulent project with my ghost plant that was looking pretty bad. Really long, leggy, out of control. This is my oldest succulent. So it definitely has had some neglect, but now I've been taking much better care of it, I must say. So we beheaded it, cut its heads off, and collected a bunch of extra leaves, gave it a nice new shape, got rid of all these leggy stems. And here was the finished pot, looking full and beautiful and just much more appealing. Here it is today, still about the same. I don't know quite what happened to this stem. Looks like it rotted somehow. Just this one. I'm not quite sure what happened. But other than that, all the cuttings are doing really well. All of the little babies in there are still growing like crazy. So it's still moving along, still doing well. Really fun is my propagation tray. So this has been about a month or a month and a half in the making, maybe. I had this just sitting under a table and they've all sprouted. Pretty much every leaf has borne a new little ghost plant. I'm gonna have so many ghost plants, I'm not gonna know what to do with them. But, you know, I give them to friends, grow them up, make another arrangement, whatever. So the last update is the Crassula Conjuncta. Now, in all honesty, it's only been a few weeks since I beheaded this leggy Crassula. All the cuttings are looking great. They still look fine. There's no new growth on any of the stems that I cut off of yet, and I don't know that there's really any roots because when I went to water, one of my cuttings kind of plopped out and I just stuck it back in there. But everything still looks great, and I'm imagining that I'll have some new growth, some new roots maybe coming in the next couple of weeks. So there you have the updates from my plant rescue and my succulent beheadings from the past couple of months. If you want to see the original videos that go along with these updates, I've pasted links below in the show description. Also, for more information, you can visit suburbansil.com. Follow me on Instagram, where I post pretty much about every day. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I've got some great new plant rescues in the works, as well as some other fun projects that are coming up this summer. So hit that subscribe button and stay up to date on all that's happening on Suburban Sil.